Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. It is so annoying when your clothes are seemingly scattered everywhere throughout your bag. When there is no good separation between clothing and gear, all your things just get jumbled together, touching things they shouldn't, and it makes finding that one shirt you're looking for a real pain. You worked so hard at packing your bag, and now it's just coming all undone just looking for that one shirt. You shouldn't have to do that. Finding a shirt shouldn't feel like a scavenger hunt every time you need to change an outfit. So this is today's tip. Pack with packing cubes. Packing cubes are essentially clothing containers. They turn that pile of free-roaming clothes into an organized system. Think packing Tetris. Different shapes, sizes, and colors, all acting as visual cues to the whereabouts to each clothing piece. Allowing you to remove the cube of your favorite shirt without disturbing the contents of the other cubes. Keeping everything nicely and neatly nestled. And generally, the rule of thumb for packing cubes is small cubes for small clothes, like socks and underwear, and large cubes for large clothes, like shirts, pants, or sweaters. However, what I find works best is packing all of my clothes into one large packing cube. This is how I roll, because it allows you to reduce the number of cubes you need to pack, thus saving you space, while still keeping all your clothes organized and segmented from the rest of the contents in your bag. Plus, it just keeps things simple and allows you to pack less, because if it fits, it ships. And if you want to know where are the places to buy the best packing cubes, see the links in the description of this video where I have my favorites. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.